This is the main square in Tequila, and what you're seeing here is the line to take pictures with the Tequila sign. It's a fun town, lots of energy. It's Sunday afternoon, so I expect things will thin out tomorrow. I'll be here for a couple more days. You hear mariachi bands everywhere, lots of liquor stations to get your fill of tequila, try as much as you like. Just going through a little artisan area here. We got some art, some t-shirts. Here we go. Some nice tequila bottles. Hola. Buenas tardes. Wind is starting to whip. I think a storm's coming in. Let's see what kind of shot glasses they have. I was drinking my tequila out of a big glass in the room there. No, he's doing some wood burning. Oh, good Lord. That's the bell tower right there. Let's see what this guy has. More tequila shirts. Oh, more glasses. Buenas tardes. And that's it for this little artisan area. So I'm looking for shot glass, stickers, or a shirt. We'll see what I can find. And if you look this way, you can see the storm coming in some. Go up here and see what we can find. Jose Cuervo has a train that comes through here. I think I've mentioned that already. But earlier I saw it going. The train runs just along that hillside up there. And we saw it coming into town. It was running alongside the mountains. Looks like a beautiful, beautiful ride. It's a church. I need to go in the church and check it out tomorrow, maybe. Shoe shine area. If I'm only wearing flip-flops, it's not going to work for me. Not today. The ice cream guy. I've seen making hot dogs, making micheladas. This is some elote, some corn. I don't know what they're making there. Maybe more just elote. ¿Qué es esto?
Mezcal, amigo.
Comes one of the buses. It's the piña and the piña de mezcal.
Piña.
Para comer?
Sí.
Oh, no sé, I didn't know you eat it. Okay. So he was trying to sell me the piña de mezcal cooked to eat. I would much rather make mezcal out of it. So we got here. Well, that's some kind of shot glass setup up there. Look at this. They're all empty, but it's like 8 shot glasses and 3 things to put the liquor in. That's magnets, but I'm looking for stickers. I promised a friend I'd bring him a shot glass. I should just give him a plain with nothing on it. No, just kidding, I wouldn't do that. There are lots of tequila shot glasses here. Lots of them. 5 years old, 1 liter, 200 pesos. A gallon, 5 liters, 800 pesos. 3 years old and 9 months old. That's crazy. I didn't know you could buy tequila like this, just straight out of the barrel right here off the square in Tequila. Okay, it makes sense now. I'm seeing all these empty bottles in here for sale. But they sell the tequila, so you buy these empty bottles, you pick what you want, and then you put your tequila from the barrel in them. That's why they have all the empty bottles. They're selling stuff right here. I don't know. Liquor, pecan liquor. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can get out of here and look some more. Oh, so we would call that rum, maybe. It's from the Kenya? Rum, yeah, okay. So this is a rum, and it's 5 liters, which it's more than a gallon for $4. That's $4 for 5 liters of rum. Oh, can you imagine the hangover from that? Riding a horse through Tequila. just gotta say it. That song just need a little more cowbell. Now here are your liquor stations. Whatever you get to keep those clay cups, but I don't think they would ride too well on a motorcycle. If you can see over there, that's the line to get into Jose Cuervo. And this is some kind of palace. I think a palace of it's the city hall, that's what it says. It used to be a jail. And they have a mural in there called The 7 Virtues of Tequila. Lots of people out today. This is some of the barrel art here. This is a tequila barrel, and they've converted it into a tequila station. Other barrels here they made into furniture. I don't know what this one is. Let's look and see what this is. I don't know what you put. Tequila producing town, just like a bourbon producing town. I guess you have lots of extra barrels. One thing I haven't seen I'd be interested to know about, Jack Daniels, they take a lot of their barrels and they chip them up. You can use them to smoke with. I don't know if they do that here or not, but that'd be interesting to see what kind of flavor was produced from smoking with chips of tequila barrel. I'd like to try that. Just got Pacifico and joined it on the square, and I wanted to show you this bus. Check this out. I don't know what you call it. Do you call that a bus? What do you call that? Hola! It's the tour, and they call it the Red Chili. So that one takes you to a cave, something else, and then a distillery. This is a popular weekend destination from Guadalajara and probably other places too. These people are hurrying. They're running around trying to get their poses in so that they can let the next person have their turn. I couldn't get my camera started in time, but that truck just drove through. This is a walking street across from Jose Cuervo, and watch what happens. Gracias. So I'm going back up. It is a walking street again. Enjoying a cerveza right here across the street. That is Jose Cuervo there. He's got a different kind. Oh, habanero.
Ay, chopines.
He's got different flavors. One of the flavors was tequila flavor, and one flavor was habanero flavor. He's etching these shot glasses here. Let's see what he's got.
Tenemos algunos ya. Falta el perrito, pero ahorita sale. Estaba tiernitos, güey.
I even have a mini pastor down there at the end.
¿Con todo, ah? Sí. Muy bien. Una tripa bien quemada. ¿Y una de salchichas? ¿De qué? Salchicha. Salchicha no tengo, hecho ahorita.
Ah, gracias. Ah, yeah. Gracias. There's 2 tripe and 1 chorizo. I think tripe is stomach, I'm not sure. But they put beans on them here. I haven't seen that before. It's got double tortillas because 1 is not enough to hold it. It's not crispy. I like it better crispy. It's a little chewy, but it tastes good. It tastes minerally. I'm gonna try the chorizo. It was a sausage that they just kind of cut up in here. About to get run over by a cart. The chorizo one's really good. There's 2 kinds of chorizo. There's chorizo that's in the sausage form, and the chorizo that's ground like hamburger meat. This is the one that's in the sausage form. It is delicious. I wish I would have got a bunch of those instead of the tripe, but it's all edible. I just ate out here, and the tacos were great. Then I look up and I think there's a market here. But no, look at this. It's a food court. Places all around here to eat. I'm really enjoying this town. There's lots of food and lots of tequila, lots of shops. Most of it's clean and nice. Not all of it, but most of it. Bonus. Okay. I was filming making this. Well, I used to come to Mexico a lot. You'll see michelada stands beside the highway. And so you just pull over and they'll fix you a michelada. This is going to be made with Corona, lime, tomato juice, tomato, yeah, mega seasoning, and yeah. The tomato juice goes in. Oh, that's a neat touch. You see how he washed it over? Put the salt in the spoon and washed the beer over the salt. And mixing it a little more with the straw. And soon we'll have deliciousness. Okay. Oh, sorry. Gracias. So here we go. Let's see how he did on his micheladas. Okay. It's very good. Tomato juice and beer goes together great. Thank you. Gracias. So back to the square. And after this, I'll have some tequila. Okay, that's for the tequila route. You follow it throughout the city of Tequila, but it's funny to me, you see how that one's pointed. Now look where it is. It points right into the church.